go. All right, y'all, what up? We back at it again. We finna do a destination ride to 36 Saloon over in Indiana. I don't know, y'all know what part? Rockville, Indiana. That's where we going. I know a lot of people probably heard of it, so we finna show y'all what it's like. We got T-Roy on the channel. This is his first time. Say what up, T-Roy.
What up?
All right, so we out down here at Shockey down in Tuscola, but we finna go pick up Raymond in Urbana, and then we go, well, he gonna meet us at 1:30 and 36. And then we out, and you see we got this crazy motherfucker back.
Y'all know.
So, you know.
Come on, y'all.
Hey, and I know y'all wonder where Trey at, man, but Trey got a little complications with his foot right now, but we gonna get it in for him. So we got some people to step in while he's stepping out.
Be all right.
All right, peace.
Holla.
The right place for you. Please put you.
Licensed and insured, so your job will get done right the first time. Our phones are open 24/7 to solve your plumbing issue, day or night. Call 1-833-PLUM-911.
But no, I think if you have that type of production, first down runs, you should be able to have more sustained series.
And running left, we talked about that earlier. The Bears
with the nice post. Oh man, just a couple
chunks of yardage.
Look at all the bikes. Ooh, that's a clean Indian. I likes that. You got the big wheel on it. Hi, we made it to 36 Saloon in Rockville. Seems like Smallville, but I'm gonna go in here and get some food, get a little lunch, and hopefully these Bears can turn this damn game around. Because right now they blowing. Oh, that was a quick little ride. We do first time to the saloon.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get it in. Trey, we gonna have a couple drinks for you. We're gonna do some shots of Crown just for you. You know. And then who knows what's gonna happen after that. Let's get it. Let's sit outside. We're coming in. Let's find a table outside.
It's been a while since we've been that way. I was thinking that last night when we went over there for dinner.
Yep.
And then come back 150.
That's a long stretch right there, but it's all 36 from Tuscola.
Yeah, it is. It's straight too.
But it's easy to find.
Yeah.
You got to turn anywhere.
Just go straight.
It's So I say it don't get good till you get to Indiana.
Right, but there's some nice corners. And then that's where
Yeah,
we can go find that road with that hairpin where Burley ass took that corner. But look, that don't mean you can still get back on the bike with us, B. You can still come back with us.
Terrible, man. He'll be watching now. He'll be getting this one. They be like,
he was all right, man. He got a little scuffed up, but he got that nice Harley in the garage, man. He got to get it back on out there. Yeah. He got the hangover. Saki got the hangover. He got the fried egg. My daughter would love it.
right here.
Fried egg.
You got fries too, right?
With some bacon.
Everybody did.
Yeah, except me.
There's two right there.
I'm the only one. I'm the eyeball.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Oh, he got chips. Damn.
This look crazy.
See, he said he was hungry. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't need that. How the food? How was the hangover?
Awesome.
Hangover was good. T-Roy, food, good. Raymond, good. Tommy do?
Excellent. I'm not even gonna be able to finish this big ass sandwich.
Can I get a fry?
Of course.
Or 4?
Get several.
He just waiting on you to say no.
I was still gonna reach real quick though. He smacked my thing on fire.
That's a big ass burger.
What is that?
That's
fat boy.
That's what, yeah. It had pulled pork on top of him, double cheeseburger.
Pulled pork, double cheeseburger.
Wrong.
Please, I'm gonna keep him in the middle so he stay awake.
For real.
He might be a little sleepy.
Shuffling them.
Right, I'll be like, all right, you go to the front, you go to the back.
Man, I thought I was hungry, man. It fixed that real quick.
Right, you went as hungry. Your eyes was bigger than your stomach.
That happens a lot. And I know I can eat a lot. This is serious.
Get the pig. Get the big old pig. Oh, look at that. Look at that boar up there. See it?
Yep.
Where? Oh, no, I got the big titties. Got the beaver. I'm sorry, man. I got distracted. The titties distract me. Alright, so we got a few more bikes. Got the BMW. What they call them bikes? With the windshield, but they dirt bikes and those Enduro. That's it came to me after I thought about it. Thanks, T-Roy. Yeah. Enduro. Tommy Do, how was it?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Can't wait to
Hey.
go back.
Yep. 36 Saloon. I think we're gonna go back through Danville, and we'll go through. We'll hit some corners. You ready to hit some corners, dude?
Yes, sir.
He ready to hit some corners. That's what we gonna do. All right. 36 Saloon. It's been real. It was cool. Nice little outdoor spot. Got an indoor eating too. Nice little destination ride. Get you some lunch. Keep it moving. Some beautiful. Now it's time to go find some beautiful corners. Oh look! You can drive anything. We got the Jeeps. All the Jeeps coming for the destination. Get some lunch. Got the nice. That'd be fun to drive. That'd be fun. Yeah.